Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me today. Today, we are going to talk about the incredible power of self-grooming and how it can transform your life. Grooming is not just about your appearance, it's about investing in yourself, building confidence, and unleashing your true potential. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover how to start grooming yourself. Embrace self-awareness. The first step towards grooming yourself is to become self-aware. Take a moment to reflect on your strengths, weaknesses, and the areas you want to improve. Understanding your personal style, preferences, and grooming goals will help you create a clear vision for yourself. Develop a grooming routine. Consistency is key when it comes to grooming. Start by creating a daily routine that includes basic grooming habits such as showering, brushing your teeth, and maintaining a skincare routine. Take care of your hair, nails, and overall hygiene. Small, consistent actions add up to significant changes over time. Dress for success. Your clothing choices speak volumes about your personality and how you present yourself to the world. Dressing well doesn't mean you have to follow trends, it means finding a style that reflects your personality and makes you feel confident. Invest in quality clothing that fits well and makes you feel good. Pay attention to body language. Grooming is not just about how you look, it's also about how you carry yourself. Pay attention to your body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. Be aware of your gestures and posture, as they can convey confidence and approachability. Cultivate a healthy lifestyle. Grooming is not limited to external appearance, it's also about taking care of your body and mind. Nurture a healthy lifestyle by incorporating regular exercise, eating nutritious food, and getting enough rest. When you feel good on the inside, it radiates on the outside. Enhance your communication skills. Effective communication is a powerful grooming tool. Improve your speaking and listening skills, as they play a significant role in how you connect with others. Engage in conversations, read books, and seek opportunities to improve your communication abilities. Remember, good grooming includes both verbal and nonverbal communication. Constantly learn and grow. Grooming is a lifelong journey. Embrace a growth mindset and never stop learning. Explore different grooming techniques, stay updated with the latest trends, and seek inspiration from others. Continuously improving yourself will lead to personal and professional growth. Remember, the process of grooming yourself is about self-care, self-respect, and self-love. It's an investment in your own well-being and an acknowledgement of your worth. By taking the time and effort to groom yourself, you are unlocking the door to endless possibilities and creating a positive impact on your life and the lives of those around you.